Hello everyone, greetings from PMG Engineering. Myself Veena Mishra, and today in this module I am going to discuss about calibration of measurement and monitoring equipments. Following are the agendas I will be discussing in this presentation. First is general requirements of calibration measurement and monitoring equipment, roles and responsibilities and implementations. Let's discuss about our first agenda, that is general requirements of calibration. The goal of calibration is to minimize any measurement uncertainty by ensuring the accuracy of test equipment. Calibration quantifies and control errors or uncertainties within measurement processes to an acceptable level. Instrument calibration are an integral part of any operation in manufacturing or laboratory and are vital for data quality assurance. Accurate and reliable monitoring results are crucial for data analysis, particularly when the monitoring results are to be compared with the relevant standard or guidelines for the compliance purposes or for population exposure and health risk assessment. This PPT outlines the basic requirement for the calibration and monitoring instruments based primarily on standard monitoring methods. Coming to our next agenda, roles and responsibilities. Calibration of your measuring instruments has two objectives. It checks the accuracy of instrument and it determines the traceability of measurement. In practice, calibration also includes repair of the device if it is out of calibration. A report is provided by the calibration expert which shows the error in measurement with the measuring device before and after the calibration. Following are the person responsible for the compliance of calibration program. Factory engineer ensure that effective calibration program is implemented by planning, scheduling, the maintenance and calibration activity of instrument. Adjustment or standardization of the accuracy of a measuring instrument usually by comparison with a certified reference or standard. Approving technical authority schedules periodic internal audit for calibration of instrument, also approve the maximum permissible error of instrument measurement. Within food industries, the implications of using a piece of equipment that has not been calibrated could be that a critical food temperature is incorrectly measured. This could result in a food safety issue, breach of HACCP and customer becoming ill, environmental health officer notices of closure, legal action, all of which result in damage to the reputation of a business. Coming to our next agenda, implementation. Definition of calibration program elements. A calibration program is a process of quality management system that includes management of the use and control of calibrated inspection, test and measuring equipment, and the process of calibrating used to determine conformance to requirement or used in supporting activities. An established calibration program need to address the following functions. First is documentation records of instrument for traceability and application requirement in accordance with the industry standard of metrology. Second, continued enforcement of approved calibration SOPs, review and recommendations for modification of calibration SOPs based on the inputs from preventative maintenance and quality assurance. Development of new SOPs. Third is notification of calibration failure to appropriate departments, investigation of calibration failures and assistance to affected department by providing technical expertise and improvements. Fourth is maintaining calibration schedules and coordination with production and maintenance activities. In the implementation of the system, manufacturers should have all the relevant information of instrument like where it is installed, what type of test is done and what the reference standard by which the measurement has been done. As you can see in the slide, following are the information provided by calibration procedure, the equipment requirement, the physical medium to be used for calibration, type and number, required accuracy, test and reference instrument needed, the number of tests required and other informations. Scheduling system. Every industry relies on instrument and measurement devices to manufacture and deliver consistent quality product. If these machineries, tools and devices are not calibrated regularly, they may start operating out of tolerance, resulting in expensive recalls and potential regulatory fines. An effective calibration solution required to schedule, manage, and track all maintenance activity. Calibration schedules must be very closely monitored. Overdue schedules calibration should be considered as serious events and treated with commitments to avoid any possible future delay. If an instrument calibration is overdue, then production laboratory stops. Notices should be immediately forwarded to appropriate department for shutdown of instrument and associated processes. Measurement traceability is a method of ensuring that a measurement is taking into account all uncertainties and is an accurate representation of an object being measured. The basis of this method is that a measurement should be tested against a higher calibration reference standard. One common misconception with traceability is that the measuring equipment is traceable. However, only the result of the measurement or the value of a standard is actually traceable. Calibration to a traceable standard validates a sensor's accuracy and the associated uncertainties. Measurement traceability is important for providing assurance of the sensor's accuracy to both a customer and the manufacturer for a given process. Establishing that a sensor's accuracy is traceable to a higher standard gives credibility for manufacturers, validating the accuracy of their result to their customers. Traceability ensures that the manufacturer part or calibration is accurate and will meet the desired specification for the application. As you can see in the present slide, it should be possible to demonstrate an unbroken chain of comparisons or trace back the accuracy value to a primary standard at SI. The typical calibration hierarchy for measurement and traceability, each level should be calibrated using a standard. When moving to the hierarchy or with each traceable calibration, it is a best practice to maintain accuracy ratio. The accuracy ratio should be 4 times closer to the ideal accuracy of the higher standard. Instruments like thermometer, pressure calibration, training of personnel should be focused on actual documentation procedures and metrology techniques. The staff responsible for implementation of technical tasks within the frame of a calibration program must maintain or continuously improve their knowledge in instrumentation and metrology. Person who is responsible for maintaining the quality and perform the calibration activity or measurement must have a skill including standardization, managing a metrology system and units and instrumentation of measurements. Personnel should be trained periodically with updated current technologies to ensure that calibration terminology and practices are understood by person responsible for the calibration services. Calibration certificates. To be confident in the result of being measured, there is an ongoing need to maintain the calibration of equipment throughout its lifetime for reliable, accurate, and repeatable measurements. This document specifies the general requirement for the calibration performed on test and measurement equipment. Calibration certificates are required for all test and measurement equipment used to control critical test functions or acquire test data. Calibration of equipment, including calibration standards, must be traceable to the international or other national metrology institutions and to a calibration service provider accredited under ISO standard 17025. Calibration certificate must contain specific information to assure compliance with standards. Documentation. An inventory database of all field instrument and all test and reference instrument must be put in place. The database contains the following information for each measuring loop: tag number, description of instrument, location, operating range or value, maximum permissible error in measurement, instrument brand or model, calibration class, calibration interval, process medium, calibration schedule, maintenance history, or measuring loop instrument. The records must be retained for the years as specified in the record retention policy of the factory concerned. The record must be included identification of the instrument, location, calibration history, test equipment use, etc. Periodic reviews and training are very important factors for a successful calibration program. Reviews should reflect changes in facility processes, quality assurance, and preventative maintenance programs. Training is a requirement for maintaining personnel qualifications at an acceptable level. New and modified processes will require creation or modification of specific standard operating procedures. Periodic reviews will assure that single changes of one standard operating procedure have not created contradiction and discrepancies in the integrity of the calibration program. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it informative. Till then, be healthy, stay safe.